We're not going to talk tricks. We're not going to talk tactics. We're not going to talk methods. Today, we're talking about how to grow wealth. I'm going to show you how to grow wealth in 3 easy steps and get you up to that $100 a day. Now, it's going to take some time. If you're not interested in that, check out some of my other videos, but this is how you build sustainable wealth passively, something that you can do over time that's really, really going to change your life. So if that's something that you're interested in, keep watching. All right. So let's jump into this right now. 3 simple steps to $100 daily. What are you going to learn? You're going to learn how to find people actually looking for help, right? We're actually going to set up something for them very, very easily. We're going to set it all up for them, and that's going to be like our hook, right? And I'm going to show you how you can do this kind of passively, or it's kind of sort of how it will end up being a passive income source for you. How about that? Who can do this? Anyone can do it from anywhere. There's no specific location or wherever. It's not just US only, it's worldwide, so to speak. As long as you have a mobile phone and a PC, this is something that you should be able to do. All right. So what are we going to do? Well, this is step 1. Step 1 is you're going to find a niche, however you want to say it, right? And what we're looking for specifically in this niche are people that are looking for websites or an email service, right? Because we're going to promote a service called Builderall, right? This is the back office for Builderall. It's an all-in-one access suite, and you get a commission. You get 100% commission on the upfront sale, which is $30, $29.90, I think. And then you're going to get a 30% recurring commission on that $30. So right around $10, right? For as long as they keep it. So we're going to show people. Actually, what we're going to do is we're going to give them a website as long as they pay for Builderall. So basically, all they have to do is pay for Builderall, and we're going to find a problem, or we're going to deal with a problem that they have, and that's how to promote their band or their local thing, right? So I'm going to use band in this particular video. But if you don't like this, you can head over to businesstown.com. And 300 best small town business ideas, and you can pick one of these, right? It doesn't have to be bands. The reason why I pick bands is because they're highly motivated to spread their music, and they're not really the most technical savvy of people. They're really good with music, but the building of a website, they're really good with social media as well, so they can promote their band. But as far as like setting up a website, not their forte. They usually have to hire somebody. And for you to be able to just come in there and offer them something right off the bat, that's how we're going to do it, right? So basically what we're doing right now, there's 2 methods that you can really rock this out with. You can go to Facebook, and I literally just typed in band promotion, and you have all these groups, right? That's always going to be one of those things for me, is going into Facebook groups and looking for, and basically you're going to go in and I haven't joined any of these, so I don't think I can see anything, but you're going to go in there and you're going to actually message each one of these bands that are trying to promote videos, and you're going to look through their social media profiles, see if they have a website. If they don't, then all you're going to do is you're going to build them a simple website, right? And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it right now, right? So this is Builderall, right? And you'll click this quick access drag and drop pixel perfect, and that's going to take you over to this one right here. And I've already got it picked out. You come down here, there's a music one, and this is the one that you're going to do. So we're going to hit view so you can take a look at it. And basically what you're going to do is you're just going to tailor it for that band. And before you even approach them with it, you're going to have it already done for them, right? It's going to be 100% completed, and it's only going to take you maybe minutes to 20 minutes kind of thing to get this all the way decked out for them. Man, that's taking a long time. Sorry, internet's slow. But it's not going to take you a terribly long time to go ahead and I'm sorry, it's just not loading. It's not going to take you a terribly long time to change some of the stuff and make it to them. So basically that's the trick, and you're going to have a whole entire website. So that's just for bands. Let's say that you're doing a local business, right? So they have local business leads right here as well. So that'll show them basically how to do a local business, right? So you get a free consultation today. You got Spanish ones, you got skincare, you got pool cleaning, and I mean, this is pool cleaning, but you can literally tailor it to anything. It doesn't have to necessarily be pool cleaning. You got HVAC, as you can see, they've already did the work for you. So you got a barber shop, right? I know my local barber in town doesn't really have this. So if you can show him how he would make money on this, I'm sure he would definitely pay for it, right? So you get the whole gist of it, right? So that's basically the 3-step process. You're going to find a niche. You're going to find people that are really, really looking for a service like this to promote their stuff. And as you can see here, there's entire groups that are looking for band promotion and where to promote their stuff. And you're going to give them an opportunity and a tool to promote their stuff. Another thing that you can do, of course, is you can go to YouTube and you can type in, bands, or you can type in whatever your local service is and see if there's anybody, and you can do your research like that, right? Another thing that you can do is you can go in here and you can look up, like, I live in Cleveland, so like Cleveland Chamber of Commerce right here, right? And I'm sure that there's got to be a group or a bunch of groups with that right there. So, wow, there's not any really big ones there. Oh, such a shame. But you get the Greater Cleveland Chamber of Commerce. There's 42 members in there. But anyway, so this is Cleveland. So there's, 400 other big cities in the United States at least. You just go, change out Cleveland and, go to Chicago, right? And you just do this over and over again, and you see if you can find it. So, like, Chicagoland Chamber of Commerce. This has got, that's a page, I believe, though. And, it might work for a page, too. So you might be able to just, so you got Taiwanese Junior Chamber of Commerce, Korean, North Region, Philippine, Brazil. So you can go in any of these kind of stuff. And you're obviously, some of these don't have hardly any. Basically, that one has pretty good. I know this seems like a horrible example, but trust me, if you look around, you're going to find like a Chamber of Commerce and small business. You just look for a Chicago small business, maybe. Let's try that. See if you can find some like small business association type groups or whatever. So, this one's got 465 members and about 2 posts a week. So, maybe not the greatest example, but, if you get your creative juices flowing, you can definitely go in there. Another thing that you can do is every community has a gab about the group, local community, whatever. You can search those out, and a lot of times you'll have people that are starting small businesses, and you can say, hey, do you have a website yet? Blah, blah, blah. So I know this video is a little bit long drawn out, so we're going to do a real quick recap. First thing you're going to do is find a niche. I did bands for this one, but you can literally find a niche that you want to promote. You're going to come to like Facebook groups. You're going to go to forums. You're going to go to anywhere that there's going to be an audience for it. So you can literally type in, pet grooming forums, right? And you can find people that are actually looking for clients and offer to build them a small website as long as they do Builderall. So you got, you're going to pick your niche, you're going to find your people, and you're going to promote them Builderall, right? And that's it. It's as simple as that. You're done. Now, here's where the passive income part comes in. You get 100% of the sale up front, and then you get 30% as you do. So you get, I think it's around 100 people. That's going to give you, if you get 100 people into your Builderall system, then that's going to give you right around $3,000 a month, which is about $100 a day. So you just need 100 people. Now, I know it seems like that might be a lot, but you also got to remember that you're getting $30 up front. So you don't necessarily need 100 people up front, right? 3 people a day is going to get you that $100 immediately, and then it's going to get you $30 a month in recurring income. So a combination of, upfront money that you're getting, but it's very possible to get a ton of people in there. I mean, it's really, really simple, especially if you already have it pre-made for them and you're giving them value. It's a great little business model. I hope you like this video. I hope you like stuff like this. This is how you're going to build a long-term successful business, and it's going to take time, but it will be passive for you eventually. If you like it, make sure that you like the video. Make sure that you subscribe. If you like more videos like this, check out my other stuff on the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.